We're in the Eye of Dubai. Na? First stopover namin for Dubai is this place. No? And this is overlooking yung harbor ba nila? Harbor area. Wow, maganda. And those are the buildings, no? Across the bay. Wow, super ganda. Ibang klase of its own talaga tong Dubai. Matindi. Ito yung sinasabi nila, from a distance, yung the eye. Ang galing. Wow, very nice.
Hindi ko na balaan. Power grade construction. Picture ni Kuya, hawak. Picture siya. Sarap ako. Ay, Blue Waters. Okay, tama na. Dala ka daw.
Blue Waters. Ang ganda. See, oh, ito yung bay. Being one of the newer na mga mega cities, no? Better planned, better resources. This is a gem, no? Not only in the Arab world but also entire, no? World. Ano to? Ano to? Breakwater, KH daw, no? Ito talaga, no? Grabe yung background namin yung Eye of Dubai, no? Hindi makita. But what can you say about the arrangement of the buildings? Ano mo? Ano mo? Facing the bay. Grabe. Wow. Very nice. Very nice.